Molweni libiziwe. I'm just joking. Molweni guys, wakhona. This is Balo N. I came again with another video of the same doek in a different way, but this time around ndizame iqhiyale or trying to make the doek smaller and also making it easier to utwala. This is another way or another type of way that umuntu can use the doek. So if you notice at the beginning, I took that third triangle that is at the back, folded it inside, and then I put the doek literally on my head and then tried to take one corner on both sides to the opposite directions. And then now I'm gonna do the same procedure again, whereby I take one side of the doek, put it on the opposite direction, and if I get it tip in, and then to the opposite side again. As you can see at the back here now, it's much shorter than before. And then I'm gonna take one side again, put it on the opposite direction, and if I get it in. I'm still using the same doek under because I'm not in a short hair, so trying to protect this main doek on top to have a grip on my head and protect it from falling over. At the same time, I'm also trying to give volume to the actual doek. So there I'm putting one side of the corner or triangle on the opposite direction, put a pin. Remember guys to be very cautious when using EPET pins because they can injure your scalp. So put it in a very safe position. When you put it as flat as you can go, and be very gentle with it. If you can see in the manner it's not going through, try another place to put it through so that you don't end up injuring yourself. Don't force it in, but just put it in as gentle as possible. And then I took the other side, put it in a different direction, put a T-pin on it. That is the front section. Front section done, as you can see there. And then now we're gonna deal with the back, or whatever is left at the back. As I said last time, you just put it together in a way that is presentable. Your doek will always direct you guys. You don't really need to worry. There's no perfect way in putting it, but you're gonna see it as you are doing it on your head. Okay, this looks nice. So immediately you see a perfect position. Put a pin, protect it so that it doesn't move. You see? Then I'm still busy with the backside area. You can chop and change the backside area, guys, into however you want, but the minute you find indlela is smart to put a pin on it so that it doesn't move. As you can see there, I'm trying to protect the position that I would love the doek to be in by putting a pin on it. So yeah, basically that is it. This needs a practice, guys. Yes, mhlambi you will be watching my videos every now and then, save them, have them on your phone, but it needs you to give yourself time, and it needs you to start doing lendo, even if we now. We practice in front of the mirror every now and then, even if we now, just to when you really need to use the doek, at least you've got some idea on how to do it in a comfortable way, or in a way that you can do it. You see? So sometimes you're gonna fold it over within a prayer, and you can also use a pin on that so that you can protect it. You see? So basically this is it. This is another way you can put it. Doek, in trying to make it smaller and more portable on your head. You can do it in this kind of a manner. Try and fold it in. That third triangle at the back, you you fold it in, and then you put the doek on your head, and then you can start tying the doek, as I said at the beginning of this vlog, by taking these two corners on your shoulders, putting them on different direction, one side and the other one on the other side, and then you pull it tighter towards your head, not so tight, but in a manner that is tighter enough for you but comfortable for your head, in order to keep the doek on for as long as you need to, depending on the occasion there. Then soon into these vlogs I will also be featuring a situation whereby, why do I keep on saying vlogs, because this is a video, but soon into one of these videos I'll be showing you a way, because some of us in Okoti, we like using these Xhosa doeks and putting them on with having wigs under, or ifandal under. Then Okoti ngokathanda nobana athwale idoek yakhe, then the weave can show maybe at the back. So I will also show you an easier way as we are going with these videos on how to feature a weave with this, because that is quite something complicated for so many people, but so many people would love to feature that and do that, but it's not easy, because it's easy for your head to be intertwined with this doek, but there is a way to separate the two while you are combining the two on your head, and it's gonna look good at the end of the day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll come through with more soon. Okay then.